Right, let me just have a look at this. I bought some of this. I mean, this we don't have this in the shop because it's expensive. But I was thinking of getting it in if I can find it at the best price. So it's just a beautiful ribbon. And let me just say I need 12, about 16 inches. And I'm going to fold it over like that. So it's 2 inches wide, but I'm going to fold it over about so that it's half there and half there, like that. No, a bit more, about that. Yeah, so I have 1 centimetre there and 2 centimetres here. And then I'm just going to stitch this. I think it's gone really cold. Don't know about you lot, but I'm starting to feel the cold already. What happened to the summer? I don't know. It's not what we expected again this year. But don't blame the climate change. We get weather up and down all year long. Every year. Have done since I can remember the weather. Might have done a little bit too much, we'll see. I'm going to see how much I need in this. It won't go to waste if I have. Right, I'm just going to pull this down. So, just, like I say, it's just like a double layered. Oh, it's gorgeous, that, isn't it? Yeah. A little bit more, shall we say. Not too much more. I'm going to cut it off to here, I think. And it won't go to waste. I don't waste anything. Alright. And then I'm going to just finish when I started. So I'm going to fold it inside out because obviously you want the double layer on the top. So just fold it inside out like that and join that together. Oh, wait a minute. We have to pull that in like that, or a little bit tighter if we can. We're now actually making the centre hole too big. Right, now what I'm going to do as well is to glue these two together. Like that. And just seal them off like that. We can get rid of that, I think. Yeah, that'll do. And then that's opened up to give us a really nice flower. Yeah, like that. just need to put a back on it. A piece of material we can use. It is quite thick, the material, the ribbon itself. So let's have a look. What have we got? Well, oh, I've got a nice, if I can get 2 of those together, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? There we go. So I've got 2 nice leaves, which I'm going to, where the seam is, this is where the seam is. I'm just going to tuck in there. Like that. And then I'll put the other one behind. No, I'm going to do it like that. I'm going to put the 2 together. On top, like that. Now, and then I've got this that I took off, do you remember? And I didn't want to waste it, so it's what's on my desk again. Oh, look, that looks gorgeous. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue under there. Oh, yeah, that's really pretty. Yeah, see, I like that. Different. You don't always have to use bead caps. That's the best thing with crafts. You don't. That's fine. And I'm just going to stick that in there like that. Oh, that's pretty. Just a little diamante, and I just spotted it, and I thought, you know what? I can just put it on. I can do whatever I like. See? Like that. Just as a decoration, because you can do what you like, and that's nice. I like that. And that would go nice on a headband or something. Now, every now and again I will go through pots like this and put them all back where they belong, because it's as I'm crafting and you don't see me do everything, so I'm using stuff all the time. Now this, I wanted this out for a reason. Let me just see. That's it. I want that out. We'll do that next. Because if you've got elongated, now you might have something like this. If you've got elongated beads, let's get rid of that, that's it. You can make them into things. So I'm going to show you. I just need to get my little pins. Right, and if I wanted to make, you know, like a dangle, then I take that, take my pliers. I'm going to trim this off. Let me get my other pliers. Yeah, just cut that. And turn that end over. In fact, shouldn't have cut that. Let me get another one. I've just thought of something else. See, as you're doing things, your mind can wander. Change that. Back to that. Put the bead on. Okay, put the bead cap on. What else can I use up from my desk? There's that one. I could use that one. Where's the hole mate? There we go. So I can put that on. Don't like it. I would prefer a bead. Let's see if this will work. I could do that. I could do that. Don't like that. Prefer that. Yeah, prefer that. and then just turn over the end. Like that. And I've straight away done a something that can hang from somewhere. They're just so easy to do. We need to put a little bead on there first. Oops, a daisy. Me can I see the hole? Pop that in there. Just pop some glue on that. Bring that right in. So that's glued that in place. That's not going to come out. Again, take one of my beautiful, they are gorgeous, these pearls. And we do sell them. And we're going to poke that in there and twist at the same time. Ignore all the glue, you can just take that off, it just peels off. I just use hot glue because it's quicker. So we've got that, and then again we can use a smaller crystal and a larger crystal. I think we'll use the larger one first, then the smaller one, and then a little pearl. Woo! Where did it go? I don't know. Probably on the floor. Oh, we've got two. We're going to do two. Right, okay. So I'm going to put large crystal, large bead, small crystal, small bead. The thing is, see, I'm fine with that. Yeah, I like that. It's just be different. You don't have to do what everybody else does. Crafting is about you, your style. What do you like? There, like that. So now I've got 3 different ones, which I could put all together anywhere. I'm going to now clear my desk off, because we're going to come back and make our little ragdoll thing. Well, she's not a ragdoll. We can make her into a ragdoll, but we're going to come back and do that. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.